Hi, I'm Megan Holmes with LJ's Kitchens, and today I'd like to talk about kitchens not being a one-size-fits-all, and we're here to help you design a kitchen that fits your lifestyle. If you're designing your kitchen geared towards your family, it's really nice to have a very user-friendly surface. So something that's easy to clean, doesn't stain, is non-porous. All of those attributes are really good to have in a kitchen when you're going to have kids that might be helping you bake. So another thing that most of our countertop companies and us as designers, we like to radius the corners of countertops just so that they're not hip catchers for adults, but also little kids do have a tendency to run into corners, and it's just nice to have them a little bit more rounded. At LJ's Kitchens, we design a lot of spaces for bakers. The big thing for them is, of course, to have a large island or workable space that they can roll out doughs or anything like that. So in this specific kitchen, we do have the base countertop deeper than what it normally would be, just so that you do have more workable space for when you are baking or cooking. If you are a baker, it is really nice to have some custom cabinets in your kitchen design for your spices or for your pots and pans or your Tupperware, anything like that. We even have mixer shelves for when you want to go ahead and just have easy access and pull up your KitchenAid and go ahead and start mixing just like that. A lot of bakers like to have 2 ovens in their kitchen space just so that they can have multiple items going at once at different temperatures. So if you're doing a dessert in one and then you're doing an actual meal in the other, or vice versa, whatever you're utilizing both of those ovens for, it is really helpful for bakers. A couple of things at LJ's that we like to incorporate into a design for people who like to entertain is having a big island or a seating area that people can congregate around. As well as hosting a meal, you can also have social hour in a kitchen. So having that open concept, having a TV or maybe a coffee bar or an actual bar itself incorporated into your kitchen can really help with entertaining your guests. Everyone has unique needs for their kitchen, and here at LJ's Kitchens, we would be happy to help you customize your kitchen to any lifestyle you have.